In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in daily to claim free daily credit refills and how to upgrade your subscription plan for more credits. If you're using a free tier, one of the easiest ways to make the most of your account is to log in every day and collect the daily credit refill. This is especially useful if you use the platform regularly and want to keep working without running out of available credits too quickly. Making this part of your routine can help you stay productive while getting the maximum value from a free plan. To begin, sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, make sure you check for your daily credit refill. On free tier accounts, these credits are typically refreshed or made available each day, so simply logging in consistently can help you maintain access to basic usage without needing to upgrade right away. It's a good habit to do this at the start of the day, especially if you know you'll be using the platform later. If you want to review your current plan or explore options for getting more credits, go to your account settings. From there, navigate to Account and then select Subscription. This is where you can view your existing plan details and see what subscription options are available. Take a moment to read through the differences so you understand what each plan includes, particularly in terms of monthly credit amounts and any additional benefits. If you decide that you need more usage capacity, upgrade to a Pro or Premier plan. When you switch to one of these paid plans, you'll instantly receive the monthly credit pack associated with that subscription. This can be a much better fit if you use the service often, work on larger tasks, or simply don't want to rely only on daily free refills. Upgrading gives you more flexibility and can save time if you frequently hit usage limits on the free tier. Before confirming the upgrade, it's a good idea to quickly review the billing details and make sure you're choosing the plan that matches your needs. Once the upgrade is complete, your new credits should be added right away, allowing you to continue working without interruption. That's all you need to do. Log in daily if you're on the free tier, visit the subscription section in your account settings, and upgrade to Pro or Premier